Today, we're putting two popular webcams head to head, the EMEET NOVA 4K and the Logitech C920x Pro HD. If you're working from home, live streaming, or just want crystal clear video and audio, this video will help you pick the right cam for your setup. Spoiler alert, one of these will give you a lot more than you will expect. When it comes to clarity, the EMEET NOVA takes a major leap forward. It records in true 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. That means sharper details, better texture, and a more professional look. Perfect for high-end meetings or YouTube content. The Logitech C920x delivers decent 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is still good, but once you've seen what 4K looks like, it's hard to go back. Plus, EMEET uses a high-end CMOS sensor, and it shows. Even in lower light, the image stays sharp and balanced. Another standout feature of the EMEET NOVA is its PDAF autofocus. That's phase detection autofocus. It locks onto your face instantly, even if you move around a lot. The C920X, it has autofocus, but it's slower and doesn't feel quite as confident. This is the autofocus for the Logitech. You can see how it doesn't focus that quickly, and it takes a few seconds for it to autofocus. Lighting-wise, both cams offer automatic low-light correction, but EMEET's image looks more natural thanks to its adjustable brightness, contrast, and saturation settings through the EMEET software. When it comes to sound, the EMEET again shines. With dual noise-canceling microphones, that captures your voice clearly, even from 8 feet away. So this is how the microphone sounds with the EMEET, even when I'm not close to the webcam. Sound very clear. The Logitech's mic works, but in noisier environment, it tends to pick up more background noise and doesn't sound quite as full. This is how the audio sounds using the Logitech C920x. And this is how it sounds at a further distance away. Setup is simple with both. Just plug and play. But here's where the EMEET adds peace of mind. A built-in privacy shutter to cover your lens when not in use. And because it's a USB-A wired device with no wireless components, you eliminate potential hacking risk. EMEET is built for flexibility. It has a 360 swivel, 15-degree tilt, and even a standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. Whether you're on a laptop, desktop, or a standing desk setup, you can position it exactly how you need to. The Logitech is more limited here with less adjustment range and no tripod thread out of the box. At a price point of $60, the EMEET works a lot better versus the Logitech, which is $10 more. So this is a great buy at a budget-friendly cost. So here's the deal. The Logitech C920x is a solid webcam. It's reliable, simple, and works well for everyday use. But the EMEET NOVA 4K gives you so much more. The ultra clear visuals, professional grade audio, fast autofocus, and peace of mind privacy features. If you care about how you look and sound in meetings or content, this is the camera to go for. Let me know in the comments, 4K or 1080p, what's your pick? And if you're ready to upgrade, you know which cam got your back. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.